We strongly condemn his statement where he called regional parties as pickpockets or pickpocketers, which goes very much against the federal system of this country, which is enshrined in our constitution. Never before any prime minister has used such derogatory words against the regional parties as Mr. Modi has done. We strongly condemn it. He had a word of praise for Mr. Parrikar, the defense minister, and credited him with the surgical strike, the so-called surgical strike by the army. Now, these surgical strikes have been done earlier also. Ex-Chief of Army Staff has said that these things have been done earlier also. But such things are not taken credit for in public. They made a big show out of it that we have done a great thing. So by and large, the speech of Mr. Narendra Modi was totally rhetoric, without any substance, and extremely disappointing for the people of Goa. He has promised 1,000 crores grant to the bridge. First of all, Prime Minister announcing this during the Code of Conduct by itself is a violation of Code of Conduct, which the Congress party shall represent to the Election Commission. That notice should be issued to Mr. Narendra Modi for announcing a grant of 1,000 crores for the bridge.